Good afternoon. This is Mrs. Hoyt, the Future Ready Coach at Bettendorf High School. I'm looking forward to working with you over the next 4 years as we explore and plan for your future. Before we get started today, I wanted to share with you the bigger picture of ICAP, or Individual, Career, and Academic Planning. Together, we will explore your interests and career clusters, do some career searching, and make your post-secondary plans. As a staff, your administration, teachers, counselors, and myself believe in you. We believe it is very important for you to start exploring things that interest you and career clusters sooner rather than later. Through advisories, pride sessions, and campus activities, we hope you see the many ways you can get started in exploring your future now. By doing this, we hope to connect you with the amazing futures you have ahead of you in interactive and fun ways. But here's the thing. We can only do that if you're on board. You need to be excited about what's ahead, engage in the activities we ask you to do, ask questions, and tell us what other ways you'd like to explore careers. Because in the end, we're doing this for you and for your future. Your freshman year will be committed to learning more about yourself, who you are as a student, what interests you and why, and how you can help yourself be successful. In your sophomore, junior, and senior years, we will explore career clusters, identify which clusters interest you, and help you prepare for your post-secondary plans. Today, we're going to revisit your learning styles. I know many of you have done this while in middle school, and that's okay. Your style has likely changed, even if just a little bit. After retaking the assessment, your advisor has an activity you will do with your class. Please be respectful of this short amount of time we have together. Listen closely, and have fun while learning with your classmates. I'm counting on you to take control of your future starting today. Thank you and have a great advisory.